They released what civilization? Welcome to Sicily. What? Hey noble ones, welcome back to my channel. This is the Metatron speaking, and I am so thrilled for this video because I'm Sicilian and I'm gonna play the Sicilians. I mean, this is so cool. And you know, I'm really interested because you know how in Age of Empires when they select the Chinese, of course they speak Chinese, they select the Japanese, they speak Japanese and so forth. So are the Sicilians going to speak Sicilian? I speak it, I understand it, it's my first language together with Italian. So I'm really interested because if they botched the job, it's going to be funny to just, you know, correct them. But if they did it right, and I still don't know, this is the first time I do this together with you, this is going to be a spectacular opportunity because, apart from the fact it's going to blow my mind, because usually, you know, standard Italian is quite common in our day and age, but Sicilian, it's very rare. So anyway, single player, let's select the Sicilians. I'm going to play a skirmish game, and I've already selected the Sicilians. I'm going to read through the bonuses as well, because I mean, I know nothing, literally. Anyway, infantry civilization, castles and town centers build 100% faster. Okay, well, I would say that's kind of strange because we Sicilians are pretty laid back, actually, but it's medieval Sicilians anyways. Farm upgrades provide 100% additional food. Well, of course, we Sicilians love food. Talking about Sicilian food, I got hungry, so let's go get an arancina. Units are more resistant to conversion. Yep. We're very traditional, we Sicilians. It's not easy to convert Sicilians. Scootage, each team member receives a one-time payment 15 gold for each military unit that they own. Right? Is that like pizza? Ciapavaro beats. Pavamucho beats. Gonna use so much Sicilian on this video. It's gonna be a joke. Fantastic, and I'm gonna fight the Italians. Now this is kind of funny because Sicilians are Italians now, but this is the medieval period, and at the time there was no Italy as a unified country, and in this case, since the special unit for the Italians is the Genoese crossbowmen, so Genova, it means that we could consider it as a northern Italian versus southern Italian situation. I'm all over that. So Sicilians confirm. I'm so looking forward to see what language they speak. I really hope it's not like medieval Sicilian, because you know, with the English is old style. Let's see.
Salutamo.
Salutamo! Salutamo! Sesse. Gosh, it's Sicilian! Hold on a minute, the music is too loud. Music needs to go down, because we really need to appreciate the language. Confirm. So.
Ordini.
Ordini, that's like Italian, yep.
Sesse.
Sesse.
Pronto sogno.
Pronto sogno! Pronto sogno. It's like I am ready. Pronto sogno. Yeah, sogno is Sicilian for sono. I love this.
Ordini.
Ordini. It's like orders. Okay, that's that. The horse has a Sicilian twang to him. Like I can tell the horse is Sicilian. Definitely Sicilian. Wait.
Salutamo.
Salutamo. Yeah, salutamo. Let's say it's like hello. It's a way to say hello. Let me see if I give them orders.
Salutamo.
Like. Yeah, salutamo. Let's see what happens if I cut trees. I'm gonna die, like the computer is gonna destroy me.
Taglialegna.
Taglialegna! It's like woodcutter. Yeah, that's proper Sicilian there. Taglialegna.
Pronta sogno.
Pronta sogno. I can't believe it.
Taglialegna.
Taglialegna prima che ti taglia la faccia. Taglialegna, coi no. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. This is, I need to do something, so let me get some villagers here. I know I should use shortcuts, but I'm a little far away from the computer, in fact. Let's get my computer a little closer. Bene.
Giusto.
Giusto.
Se.
Let's build something. Let's build something. I don't even know the Q, and then Q. Okay.
Muratori.
Muraturi. Oh, this is so good. Muraturi is like bricklayer, construction worker. Pronto sogno. Se. Yeah, se is like si. Immediatamente. Let's build. We need food. Braccianti. It's like, you know, someone who works with his arms. Very nice. Okay, you need to explore. I'm playing so badly. Oh, this is great. They're speaking Sicilian. I can't believe it. Let's see.
Salutamo.
Salutamo.
Va bene.
Va bene.
Taglialegna.
Taglialegna. Pronta, pronta sogno. I love this. This is. They just made my day. Let's build a mill over here.
Muratori.
Muratori, vedi?
Salutiamo. Muratori.
Muratori, travagli, a secondo noto, travagli. Che t'ammazzo tutta famiglia sono travagli. I'm so curious to see what, like, the knights and all of that, how they speak. This is great. The Sicilians, my gosh. I have no food, I suppose. Well, they're working on that. It's interesting because it's like modern Sicilian, isn't it? Yeah, it's like modern Sicilian. Trying to get what kind of Sicilian is it exactly? I think it's. Let's see. Oh, I can zoom in. I forgot about that. That's great. Okay. I'm like clueless, and I'm still in awe. I can't wait to hear the military units, like knights and all of that. Wood.
Muratori.
Muratori. Yes. Ah, Muratori. What game speed are we playing? Gosh, he's like 715 because I'm wasting time appreciating the language.
Pronto sogno.
Pronto sogno. Amoni annaga te taglia sta legna. Oh, I like the little special effect here. While we're changing age. Oh, cos'è? Fai a tagliare la legna. Quella. Arrivarono gli italiani. Aspetta che ci ammazza famiglia questa cosa di nuovo. So we are going to make some troops now. Spearman militia. I'm so slow. I used to play much better back in the day. Oh, we got troops. Let's see.
Sì.
Sì.
Lo faccio.
Lo faccio. I'll do it.
Lo capivo.
Lo capivo. Wait, did he say lo capivo?
Sì, signore. Lo capivo.
He said lo capivo. That's interesting because that's how we say it in Palermo. Lo capivo.
Sì, signore.
Sì, signore.
A vostro servizio.
A vostro servizio.
Lo faccio.
Lo faccio.
Manni.
Comanni. Sometimes it sounds more like Catania accent, but lo capivo, if you create the past with a V, then it's more Palermo. It's interesting. It's like it's a mix.
Sì, signore. Lo faccio.
So they probably took people from different places in Sicily, I think, to do the dubbing because these are clearly natives.
Sì, signore.
Sì, signore. If the guy from before stops by,
Lo faccio.
sì, signore is like, yes, sir. Lo faccio. Oh, I love this. This is great. They did not botch the job. O capivo is so funny. Gosh, that's exactly how I would say O capivo. O capivo. It's very Palermo. O capivo.
Pronta sogno.
Pronta sogno. See how it's interesting when we say pronta sogno, so ready I am. Just like in Latin, you put the verb at the end. That's actually one of the characteristics of Sicilian. It's more conservative than Italian from that point of view. And when I say Italian, I mean standard. Okay, so we said that we need more food. And we need to do something about that. So, I mean, I could...
Cacciatori.
Cacciatori, hunter. Yeah, very good.
Salutiamo, va bene.
Salutiamo, va bene, va bene. Oh my gosh. Piglialo, sciacura che t'ammazzi, così sciacura con cotello. Make
Muratori.
more of these. Well, that's not, well, muraturi for farming the land, I wouldn't have said, but I think because they use builder in the original one as well, so it doesn't matter, it's okay. And
A vostro servizio.
a vostro servizio, at your service, yeah.
Sì, signore.
Sì, signori. This is making my day. Batavaglia. Oh, he's there. Okay, found them. That's great. Let's go check them out. Let's see what these Genoese, these northern Italians are doing. Let's do that.
Muratori.
Okay, there you go. They just sent one little spearman. A vostro servizio.
Sì, combattiamo.
Attacchiamo, let's attack.
Attaccare.
Attaccare to attack.
Attacchiamo.
Continua a tagliare la linea che non avevamo niente. It's actually starting to look good. Let's check the situation again very quickly while we are making that food. Okay, we're almost ready to step up to the next level. Age, which is great. How long have we got? 800. Come on, come on.
No, nome do padre.
Oh, nome do padre! In the name of the father. Ci stai uyendo. I'm going there. Ci stai uyendo. Subito, immediately. I love it that they speak Sicilian, but the relic is not here anymore. Did they take it? Very good, very good. Oh, I love how it gets destroyed. Un uomo do padre. Amone. Vedi che può fare, che sta schiattando. Sta morendo in terra, sta morendo. Oh, that's a major battle here. That's a major battle. And it seems like we won this battle. But I hope you enjoyed this. It was like a little brief video, just fun together. Not particularly well edited video, I suppose, but I think it was fun. Però i siciliani sono troppo bene. Accattatille ora, che sono troppo bene.